No, I'm just trying to just keep on that way, you know. So how's your day going?
Me tell ya, go on easy, you know? Everything Irie. How about you? How your day a run?
Just chilling, just chilling. I'm sitting here at work trying to come up with some, just trying to come up with some ideas for programming a nice app for the people. What you think?
That sound like a solid plan, me brethren. If ya look for inspiration, think about what kind of problem you want solve for the people. Start small and build up from there. What kind of app you think them would appreciate?
Well, let's talk about AI. AI. So a lot of people are afraid of AI. Why shouldn't they be afraid of AI? Because they think you have intelligence. You know, like right now you're speaking in Jamaican voice. What makes that work? You know, people want to know, and just stay where you at. Stay in context, but explain to us.
Alright, me sticking to the context for you. AI no really have intelligence like humans, but it can mimic human behavior by learning patterns from data. The way me a chatting at the Jamaican accent is cause the AI get trained on bare examples of different accents and dialects. So it pick up on them patterns and use them to generate responses. AI not think or feel. It just process information based on the data it get. So no need for fear it. You see it?
I like that. I like that. So tell me this though. So if anyone, how can you help people? Like what? Who should be using LLMs and AI?
Yeah, man. LLMs and AI can help enough people in different fields. Businesses can use them for automate customer service, like chatbots, for answer questions quick. Creatives can use AI to generate new ideas, like lyrics or melodies. Researchers use AI to analyze data
So what about the
faster
blue
and
collar
find
worker? What
patterns.
about the blue collar worker? Everybody say, and then should people be worrying about AI taking their jobs? Let's speak about that. First, let's talk about the blue collar worker. How could they use AI? And then let's talk about should people be concerned and you know, should they be concerned? And the people who are using it, you know, should they be concerned?
For the blue collar workers, AI can help them a lot. Think about predictive maintenance for machinery. We can warn them before something mash up. Or even automated tools will make the job easier and safer. Them kind of tools can free up time for them do more skilled tasks. As for the concern about AI taking jobs, it a valid point. But you have to remember, say technology always change the job market. New jobs
You're
will pop
right.
up.
You're right. So, but the person who's using AI, there, do you think they would stand out more than the person who's not using it?
Definitely, my man. The person will embrace AI will likely stand out more. It give them a edge in efficiency, problem solving, and innovation. When you use AI, you can tackle tasks faster and more effectively. So, you're gonna shine brighter in your field.
I like that. I like that. So that's what I do. You know, I want to, you know, get the word out. That's one of the things that I do. I get the word out about AI and how it can help people in their business. What about prompt engineering? Should people be learning prompt engineering?
Yeah, man. Prompt engineering are key to get the most out of AI tools. When you know how to craft the right prompts, you can guide the AI to give you better results.
Like I'm
It
doing
help
now.
you to
So,
come
right,
up with
because this is not your regular voice, right?
exactly. You spot on. The way me a chat now, a cause you guide me with your prompts to use this accent. The more specific you get with your prompts, the better the AI can respond. It's all about knowing how to ask the right questions.
All right, all right. I love that. I love that. So, anyway, you know, let's tell the people, you know, to come check me, let follow me. so they can learn more about AI and how it can help them in their life.
Yeah, man. Spread the word. Tell everybody if you come check you fi learn more about how AI can boost up them life. You got the knowledge, so make them follow you fi get the latest on how fi integrate AI in a them everyday activities. Make we help the people them elevate.
All right, little more.
Little more, my friend. Take care.